Hi, Bill from Vaniman here. Today we're going to be looking at the Vaniman SplashVac, a versatile all-in-one portable dust collection station accessory with a built-in fan and replaceable filter system. It fits a 6-inch wheel and is ideal for light dust collection in labs and industrial settings. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. When you get it out of the box, there's a little bit of assembly required. Use the included Allen wrench to screw the debris shield on. You'll notice the debris shield is flexible and can be moved up or down. Plug the power supply into the port at the bottom of the dust fan casing, plug it into the wall, and flip the switch to turn it on. You can visibly inspect your filter from time to time to see if it needs replacing. It's very easy to do. As a general rule of thumb, we recommend replacing it every 3 months, but you might need to replace it sooner than that if you run this unit at high volume. As always, if you have any questions, please contact Vaniman at service@vaniman.com or by phone at 760-723-1498.